Here's a nice little antique Scottish clock, made about 1840 in Glasgow or London, and it's by Mitchell of Glasgow. It's only 9 inches high. It has a silver dial which is marked John W. Mitchell, London and Glasgow. It has Roman numerals, and it's a timepiece. It strikes, it doesn't strike, it's time only. The case is rosewood, what we call a 4-glass case. It has a viewing panel on the top and the sides. It sits on 1 foot and it has a no G to the bottom of the case. Really thick bevelled glasses in these clocks. The movement is a fusee movement with a pendulum and an anchor escapement. These clocks are made as travelling clocks. It has its screw down for the pendulum, where you would screw it to the back of the back plate, so you could travel with it without disturbing the pendulum. And it has an adjuster here halfway up the pendulum to make it easier to adjust. The clock's in nice condition, and it's for sale. We have it on our website, which is ianburton.com. There you will find other quality antique clocks. We ship worldwide and we deliver throughout the UK.